This time we have Destiny Bang2Dome. Since I want a bang and I don't have enough hair, I don't want to cut my hair to get bangs and I want it nice and thick, I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna demonstrate how to put it on. So it's so easy to install. We have the clips right here for the bangs. I just open them up and they're ready to go. Now for the bun part, we have 2 clips inside. So all you gotta do is position the bangs first and then there we go, perfect. So then we just tuck in and then we just clip one. I want a side bang, so I'm positioning it like this and just comb it to the side. My bang and my bun, 2 in 1, ready to go. Nice and formal. It has a little braid thingy on the top. Here we go. Feels nice and secure. Love it. Feels natural. I don't have to cut my real bangs. I just have to clip them on. Easy peasy. How's that look?